John Hooks here from John-Hooks.com. Welcome to my ToolMonster review. Behind me here is the dashboard of it, and we're going to go through this via the demo video in just a few minutes. And also, I have a special gift for you just for watching this review today. So stay tuned. Right after we come back and do the short demo, I'll be giving you the QR code where you can go and access your free gifts. So right now, let's get over to my bonus page where I'm going to have information about ToolMonster and as well as other information, including the bonuses and the prices. All right, so from YouTube, go ahead and click on the link beneath the video that says get my exclusive bonuses and ToolMonster here. Click that link and it'll take you to this page, which we've landed on here. Okay, so with ToolMonster, you get 120, hot web-based tools to automate your daily business, boost your business efficiency, save your time, and 10 times your quality in just a few easy steps. So a little bit more about it here. So with ToolMonster, it removes all hassles and enables you to succeed without spending monthly or money sucking freelancers or wasting your time trying to do it manually. So save your valuable time and money by kicking out, expensive freelancers forever. ToolMonster is so fast and easy to use. You get website management tools, development tools, binary converter tools, image editing tools, text content tools, online calculators, unit conversion tools, and some extra tools on top of that. So basically, you're just 2 steps away from boosting your business efficiency. So step number 1 is to log in. To begin, just log in with your credentials to the 100% web-based software to see it in action. And 2, hey, you're done. There's no other step. Just freely go through the 120 plus different tools from the dashboard. And you also have access to millions of stock videos and images. That's just an extra bonus, included with this. And so that in itself is extremely valuable that you're getting included. So let's get over and take a look at the demo here. And remember, right after the demo, I'll have a QR code on the screen where you'll be able to get your free gift from me today just for watching. Let's go ahead and get started. All right. So basically, these are the tools that you get here. You get the website management tools, development tools, binary converter tools, image editing tools, text content tools, online calculators, unit converter tools, extra tools. And you saw those headlines there, or those drop downs in the demo. So what is this going to cost today? $17, but there is a $3 page exit attempt coupon, so you can get it for $14 today. Now, one thing that the vendor is doing is that he is increasing the price a penny per hour from the time that the launch starts. And so go ahead and pick it up. A penny saved is a penny earned, right? So you get the ToolMonster, excuse me, with this 120 plus hot tools, which anyone can use to boost your business efficiency. And then we have a number of one-time offers. So OTO number 1 is the ToolMonster Unlimited for $37. So with this, you can unlock unlimited features to get max unlimited searches, sales, and profits with just the push of a button. So you get unlimited accounts, unlimited searches, unlimited access, unlimited downloads, exclusive link shortener, exclusive training step-by-step, millions of video and image data, easy to understand software video training, included step-by-step video software guide, dedicated support and Facebook private group access. All right, that's for $37. OTO number 2, the ToolMonster Pro for $37. You get 300% more traffic and sales faster with zero tech hassles ever. Get max audience glued using the power of fresh visual content. Step-by-step exclusive full training plus case study. Included 100 plus traffic sources. Included millions of stock images. Download in one click. OTO number 3, ToolMonster exclusive for $97. Setup done for you funnel. Integration with autoresponder. Approval. Affiliates. Offer. Step-by-step funnel training. 24/7 support. And OTO number 4, ToolMonster reseller for $37. Basically, you get reseller rights to ToolMonster and sell it as your own for 100% of the collection all through the funnel here. And you had seen it earlier, the QR code that appeared over here. Let me bring it back again because I forgot to mention it. So go ahead and scan that code to get your free gift from me. And it does have to do with SEO efficiency, maximizing SEO on your websites and stuff like that. So go ahead and pick that up. So remember, over 120 tools, automate your daily work, automate updates with no extra installation hassles, 100% fully AI-based, 120 plus services, millions of stock images, get premium training, millions of stock videos, beginner friendly, all with 100% money back guarantee. Now, of course, a great deal of these tools you can find individually out there on the web, but that's over 120 different individual searches. And so you have it all in one place. That's what makes this valuable and a benefit to you. In addition, getting the millions of stock images and videos, on top of that. And so that you just can't go and find easily. All right. So the demo video that we watched is also right here. So if you need to, go ahead and bookmark this page, come back and watch that again. I do have some bonuses for you when you pick up ToolMonster through any of my red banners that you've seen on this page today. All right. So bonus number 1, I'm giving you 5,000 visitors to any URL of your choice, plus 2,500 text ads and 2,500 banner impressions. Bonus number 2 is my digital download edition of SEO rules. All right. How to make Google love your website, drive crazy traffic, and make lots of money by increasing the SEO on your links or your sites. All right. Bonus number 3, YT Philosophy. Unlock the set and forget buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. Bonus number 4, monthly income system. Bonus number 5, affiliate takeover. Drive more leads and sales from on-demand traffic. And bonus number 6 are the bonuses that are being offered to you from ToolMonster. And so go ahead and get those today when you go through your secure checkout by clicking on any of the red banners on my bonus page here. Once you are done with your secure checkout, you will land on the Warrior Plus purchase page. Well, you'll have access with the green button to access the ToolMonster and the bonuses offered through them, and the blue button on the page here to get the bonuses that I just offered to you today. So I want to go ahead and take the time to thank you for taking your time of watching this review video today. If it's something that is of use to you, go ahead and pick it up, while the price is still lower and still during the early bird launch period, because then the price will go up even more from what I understand. So, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do that thumbs up and find that alert bell if you will, please. And with that, I bid you a fantastic day, and as always, to your success.